think so.
Well done,
It
Captain.
depends what will happen when I come off the box, whether I'll survive.
Does that reach the floor?
Yes.
So you could actually just push yourself.
You could, but because I'm right in the middle,
Well, you also do that, huh?
it's not such a good idea.
Oh yeah. This one's moving.
Do you know, I'm honestly not sure whether I can actually float off this now, but we will find out.
No.
Yeah, I'm doing a good job of rotating.
It's the beginning.
It is the beginning. And it's the easiest getting into the bloody thing I've ever done.
Quickly! The boat's coming back!
It's like the Titanic now.
It is a bit, isn't it?
It's sinking! You're not?
I'm not. I'm not moving, fence.
It's
Damn! What?
You're on the box.
Oh, that is so typical. Right, how can we float off this? Can I do it this way?
No! I wouldn't do that because you might...
Oh,
Yes!
here we go.
Yes!
Oh, wow.
Oh, the joys. Now, the only question is, did I lose my hold when I came off the box?
What was the box for?
The box for me to sit on or stand on or get stuck on, as I actually did.
And where's your next stop?
There.
Tu la filmes, hein?
Hey.
That you're floating.
Oh, it's great.
Great.